I had to change the back tire of my bike before we could go on the next adventure. As you can see, it was about time. As no mechanic in the area was able to take the tire out of my bike and put it back in again, my father and I had to take it into our own hands. When that was done, we picked up our friends, 2 from the boat, 1 from the train.
Get that mask off, you don't need that here.
Yeah, you did.
With Teddy and Mara in the car, Misha, Jörg and I on the bikes, we headed for the mountains of
Norway, baby! Crazy.
Morning.
Morning.
The view is better here than on the last one we were at.
I mean, I've seen worse views. I'm gonna just sit and watch mouths while I have a poo.
The only problem is that if you want to have a view, people can also see you do your thing. So you gotta kind of choose. Do you want to take that risk or do you want to stare at the wall? Right now I'm taking that risk. I gave the boys 2 options this morning. One was to ride to Aurlandsfjorden. Second was to ride to Vøringsfossen. And they picked Vøringsfossen. So that's where we're gonna go. Teddy,
Hello.
what's your expectations for today?
Fucking high, mate. Well, I mean, it's got a lot to build on because this place is already so sick. Is it going to be good?
No, it's gonna be great.
Yeah?
Very awesome.
She's lying.
Oh, man! Expectations! I was really looking for this ages. Where was it?
It was laying in front of the door.
Yeah! Win-win! I was looking for this for ages. Nice, man.
I can smoke more cigarettes.
Yeah, I can have a fag right now! Look at the snow! Snow! In the summer!
It's freaking 8 degrees outside. You guys are crazy. What you having there? So we just did a little stop at a hotel cafe, something like that. They're the boys. Getting ready for the cold ride, and I bought myself a little cinnamon bun. I'm actually quite glad that I can stay in the warm and just be in the car this time, because I have done this road last year in August with Sean, and it was freaking cold and it was raining, and I'm very happy for them that it's not raining this time. So I hope they will survive. The Germans are, like our German friends, are a little more used to warmer areas and not driving over mountains, and there's snow in the far. But I think they still enjoy it. So I can't wait for them to see the actual destination, Vøringsfossen.
So we have reached Vøringsfossen. Well, we haven't reached we've reached the parking lots. Yay! And Teddy, I want you to do me a favor.
What do you need?
So I want you to just take this camera when we walk up to the waterfall.
Yeah.
And just film your face.
Yeah.
Because I just want your reaction.
You want my reaction? On this bridge or here? Oh, fuck me. Fucking hell. Wow. Ja. Bro.
Na Jungs, geil, ne?
Das ist einfach Wahnsinn.
Low-calorie pills. It's great because I'm on a diet. True taste of Norway. Smell that salty air. It tastes healthy. That's beautiful. Damn.
Welcome to Norway.
As Teddy enjoyed a healthy and low-calorie beer, Misha attempted to catch us a healthy dinner by fishing in Eidsfjorden.
I think Misha's admitted defeat. No dinner today. Only beer.
And rum cola.
And rum and coke, yeah.
Misha was outsmarted by the Norwegian fish, but he returned to the bike proud, knowing that one day he will get his catch. We jumped back on our bikes and headed up and back over the mountain.
Wie war die Ausfahrt, Jungs?
Perfekt. Genial. Absolut genial.
Gut, gut.
Das beschreibt sich. Supi ist zu wenig. Viel zu wenig. Das war absolut genial. Da gibt es gar nichts.
Macht mir glücklich. Teddy, how was it from four wheels?
That's how I like it, man. 4 wheels. It was good. We had a lot of spaß. I think I kept Mara entertained with my ramblings. I mean, she didn't crash, so I think it all went well. And we talked about life and love and poo, and we did all the important topics. It was a really nice time. And yeah, it was. And the scenery, man. I mean, like every turn and every corner you take is just more beauty. And yeah, I mean, to anyone who hasn't visited Norway, get your fucking ass here because it's all your troubles drift away. Good company, good beer, good food. What more could you want? Oh, and a sauna. And we're doing a naked sauna.
Oh yeah?
We're bringing FKK meets Norway.
Welsh guy brings you Eastern German traditions.
It's going to be fantastic.
Cigarettes, beer, and naked sauna.
And you poo outside. I love pooing outside. It's my new favourite thing.
It was not the healthy dinner he wanted, but at least Misha got to be our grill king. Unfortunately, we had to leave the mountains. We spent the last day we had together in Slemmestad, the capital of Norway, where Mara, Teddy and I went for a swim.
First time fjording.
Yeah. We're gonna jump in and swim, and Misha's gonna fish us out again.
Man, feels good.
That does feel good. While Misha gave fishing another shot. So Teddy, how was the fjord experience?
Tell you what, it started off really well. Had a great time.
Yeah.
Thought, yeah, I could move here, I could live here. But then, had an encounter with a fucking jellyfish.
Yeah.
Bastard got me on the arm. Sean got you as well.
It got us both.
Bastard.
Before we had to send our guests off, Misha and Jörg went back to Germany with the ferry. And Teddy went off with some friends to explore more of Norway.
Don't let me go. Come back.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.